Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Gulehen Shabi. Today I am going to talk about what is chemotherapy. Chemotherapy is a type of cancer treatment that uses one or more anti-cancer drugs, a part of a standardized chemotherapy regimen. Chemotherapy may be given with a creative intent, or it may aim to prolong life or to reduce symptoms. This is normal cell, and the other one is a cancer cell. Normal cell, small, uniformly shaped nuclei, relatively large cytoplasmic volume. Cancer cell, large, variable shaped nuclei, relatively small cytoplasmic volume. This is the difference between normal cell and cancer cell. How does cancer form? Cancer is a disease in which some of the body cells grow uncontrollably and spread to other parts of the body. And what are oncogenes? DNA repair genes are involved in fixing damaged DNA cell with mutation, and these genes tend to develop additional mutations in other genes and change in their chromosome, such as duplication and deletions of chromosome parts. Together, these mutations may cause the cell to become cancerous. What are tumor suppressor genes? The tumor microenvironment is the environment around a tumor, including the surrounding blood vessel, immune cells, fibroblasts, signaling molecule, and the extracellular matrix. The tumor and the surrounding microenvironment are closely related and interact constantly. Tumor can influence the microenvironment by releasing extracellular signals, promoting tumor angiogenesis and including peripheral immune tolerance, while the immune cells' microenvironment can affect the growth and evolution of cancerous cells. What is metastasis? Cancer that spread from where it started to a distant part of the body is called metastatic cancer. For many types of cancer, it is also called stage 4 cancer. The process by which cancer cells spread to other part of the body is called metastasis. Many different kinds of chemotherapy or chemodrugs are used to treat cancer, either alone or in combination with other drug or treatment. These drugs are very different in their chemical composition, what they are made of, how they are prescribed and given, how useful they are in treating certain type of cancer, and the side effect they might have. Every time any new cell is formed, it goes through a usual process to become a fully functioning or mature cell. The process involves a series of phases and is called the cell cycle. Chemotherapy drug targets cell at different phases of the cell cycle. Understanding how these works help doctors predict which drugs are likely to work well together. Doctor can also plan how often doses of each drug should be given based on the timing of the cell phases. Cancer cells tend to form new cells more quickly than normal cells, and this makes them a better target for chemotherapy drug. Each time chemo is given, it means trying to find a balance between killing the cancer cell in order to cure or control the disease and sparing the normal cell to lessen side effects. The good news is that most normal cells will recover from the effect of chemo over time, but cancer cells are mutated, not normal cell, and they usually do not recover from the effect of chemo. This is why chemo is good at killing many types of cancer cells. Class of chemodrug: alkylating agent, platinum compound, and nitrosuria, antimetabolite, anthracycline, antimicrotubular agent, Venica alkaloid, antixins, topoisomerase, anti-tumor antibiotic, anthracyclines, corticosterol, other chemotherapy drug. This is a class example: biochemistry activity and biological effect used in clinical. Alkylating agent keep the cell from reproducing, making copies of itself by damaging its DNA. These drugs work in all phases of the cell cycle and are used to treat many different cancers, including cancer of the lung, breast, and ovary, as well as leukemia, lymphoma, Hodgkin disease, multiple myeloma, and sarcoma. Because these drugs damage DNA, they can affect the cell of the bone marrow, which make new blood cell. In rare cases, this can lead to leukemia. The risk of leukemia from alkylating agent is dose dependent, meaning that the risk is small with lower doses, but goes up is the total amount of the drug use get higher. The risk of leukemia after getting alkylating agent is highest about 5 to 10 years after treatment. Platinum based antiplastic drug, informally called platins, or chemotherapeutic agent used to treat cancer. They are coordination complexes of platinum. These drugs are used to treat almost half of people receiving chemotherapy for cancer. In this form of chemotherapy, commonly used drugs include cisplatin, oxaliplatin, and carboplatin, but several have been proposed or under development. Addition of platinum-based chemotherapy drug to chemo radiation in women with early cervical cancer seems to improve survival and reduce risk of recurrence. This is a medication which is used for platinum and cancer. Cisplatin, trade name platinol, injectable solution 1 milligram ml. The mechanism of action of cisplatin has been associated with ability to cross-link with the urine bases on the DNA from DNA adducts, preventing repair of DNA, leading to DNA damage and subsequently induced apoptosis within cancer cell. Administration rate has varied from 15 to 120-minute infusion, 1 milligram per minute infusion, 6 to 8 hour infusion, 24-hour cancer of cervix, esophagus, kidney, non-small cell lung cancer, head and neck, squamous cell cancer, osteogenic sarcomas, bone marrow transplant. Ultratamine. Ultratamine capsule may be administered either for 14 or 21 consecutive days and 28-day cycle at a dose of 260 milligram. The total daily doses should be given as a 4 divided oral doses after meal and at bedtime. Its side effect: nausea, vomiting, peripheral neuropathy, and central nervous system symptom, mood disorder, disorder of consciousness, ataxia, dizziness, vertigo. These all are the side effects of ultratamine. Nitrosoureas are a group of alkylating agents that have a special action. The other alkylating agent listed above cannot travel into the brain, but nitrosoureas are able to do so. They can enter the brain because they are able to cross through a known as the blood-brain barrier, a special area that keeps most drugs out of the brain. This action makes these drugs useful in treating certain type of brain tumor, streptozotocin, limousines, etc. Carmostine is also. Indication: Carmostine for injection is indirect, is a palliative therapy, is a single agent or an established combination therapy involving brain tumor, glioblastoma, brain stem glioma, medulloblastoma, astrocytoma, ependyomoma, and metastatic brain tumor. Common side effects of Carmostine include nausea, vomiting, headache, flushing, injection site reaction, pain, swelling, redness, or dark skin color. Anti-metabolite interference with DNA RNA by acting is a substitute for the normal building block of RNA and DNA. When this happens, the DNA cannot copies of itself and cell cannot reproduce. Acidotine, these are a drug, 5-fluorouracil, 6 mercaptopurine, capecitabine, cladribine, chlorphirabine. These are a drug anti-metabolite. Generic name acizidine, indicated to treatment of patients with the following: French, American, British myelodysplastic syndrome subtype, refractory anemia or refractory anemia with ranged sideroblast accompanied by neutropenia or thrombocytopenia are requiring transfusion, refractory anemia and excess blast, refractory anemia with excess blast and transformation, and chronic. Common side effects include fever, chills, brushing or other sign of low blood pressure, lung infusion, low potassium, etc. Anthracyclines is a class of drug used in cancer chemotherapy that are extracted from Streptomyces bacterium. These compounds are used to treat many cancers including leukemias, lymphos, breast, stomach, uterine, ovarian, bladder cancer and lung cancer. Anthracycline chemotherapy indication: Idiomycin chemical name doxorubicin, Allen's chemical name epirobicin, Doxil chemical name doxorubicin, etc. Antimicrotubule, a highly dynamic mitotic spindle microtubule, are among the most successful targets for anti-cancer therapy. Protoplasmic cytoskeleton elements are this, which is shown in this slide. Taxane are a class of terpenes. They were originally identified from the plant of genus Taxus yeaves and feature of taxantine's core mechanism of action. Taxanes reduce the critical concentration of tubulin required for microtubular assembly, resulting in mitotic block at the metaphase, anaphase junction, and in the cell cycle phase. Specific activity: paclitaxel, taxol, and docetaxel Taxotere are widely used to chemotherapeutic agent. Paclitaxel is an anti-neoplastic agent which acts by inhibit of cellular mitosis and which currently play a central role in the therapy of ovarian, breast, and lung cancer. Common side effect of paclitaxel: hair loss, anemia, joint pain, muscle pain, diarrhea, nausea. Topoisomerase inhibitor. DNA topoisomerase are enzymes that regulate DNA topology and essential for the integrity of genetic material during transcription, replication, and recombination process. Inhibitor or the mammalian enzyme are widely used to anti-tumor drug. Topotecan, teniposide, topoisomerase 1 inhibitor are mainly used in treatment of colorectal and ovarian cancer. Irinotecan, brand name Campotrosor, injectable solution 100 mg per ml, regimen 1 weekly, 125 mg for infusion. Side effect: constipation, stomach pain, upset stomach, throwing up, and feeling less hungry. Other type of drug used to treat other biological treatment are used to treat cancer but are not considered chemotherapy. They often have a different side effect than chemotherapy. Many are used along with surgery, chemo, or radiation therapy. Target therapies work by finding specific substances called protein or receptors that cancer cells have. The protein or receptor is preciously targeted by the drug, so normal cells are not affected by the drug. This is different than how traditional chemotherapy drug work. Hormone therapy. Drug in this category work on different action of hormone that make some cancer grow. These drugs are used to slow the growth of certain breast, prostate, and endometrial uterine cancer, which normally grow in response to natural sex hormone in the body. They work by making the cancer cell unable to use the hormone they need to grow, or by preventing the body from making the hormone. Immunotherapy. What is immunotherapy? Immunotherapy is a type of treatment that uses drug to boost or alter a person's immune system. These drugs are used with certain type of cancer to help a patient immune system recognize and attack cancer cell. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.